Last week, Xiaomi started rolling out MIUI 12.5 update for Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max MI pilot testers in India. Now, this update is available for the general public as well. That's not all. The MIUI 12.5 stable update has been also released for other regional variants of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Friends, this is Subir. Welcome to my channel. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max sold in India is actually known as the Redmi Note 10 Pro in other markets. On the other hand, the Redmi Note 10 Pro available in India is basically the same device with a 64 megapixel main camera instead of a 108 megapixel sensor. All three phones run identical software, however there are multiple regional MIUI builds for them. These smartphones debuted with MIUI 12 based on Android 11, but now they have begun to receive MIUI 12.5 update with the following build numbers. As you can see from the list, the MIUI 12.5 stable update for the Redmi Note 10 Pro or Max is currently live for the global, Indian and the European variants. The update should be available for other remaining variants in the coming days. Having said that, it is worth noting that even for the above mentioned three regional variants, the MIUI 12.5 update is being rolled out in batches. Hence, it may take some time to reach all the units. So that's all for MIUI 12.5 stable update released for Redmi Note 10 Pro and Max. This is Subir. If you like this video, please give me your likes, comments and shares, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you again. Sign off.